announcements that have been made today by the Secretary of the Home Department are as follows. The health and care visas. They've announced that overseas care workers will not be able to bring family members. This is to bring an end to the abuse of the health and care visa. So sometime in spring next year, this change is going to come into play, whereby family members of people that are on the health and care visa will not be allowed to bring their family members. So the other change that they've made in the health and care visas is that all the companies that are going to apply for this visa in the care sector should be regulated or need to be regulated by the Care Quality Commission. We know that some are regulated by other regulators such as Ofsted and so forth. So if you are wishing to bring your family to the United Kingdom, I think this is the time for you to bring your family before this change is implemented in spring next year. So the first change that is coming in, it relates to the health and care visas, whereby you will not be allowed to bring your dependents to the United Kingdom, and all companies or firms that want to get a sponsor license will need to be regulated by the Care Quality Commission. The second announcement relates to the minimum salary threshold for the skilled worker visa. So it has been increased to 38,700, almost by 20%. So if you are sponsoring employees, this has also come into play, but this does not affect the health and care workers who will be able to earn less than the 38,700. But if you see things like this happening, then it might mean that changes might also be coming to the health and care visa in the near future. So if you are a sponsor in any other specialty apart from health and care, the minimum that you are now expected to pay your employees is 38,700. Shortage occupation list. Again, the government is making a change to the shortage occupation list. The government wants to scrape out cut price shortage labor from overseas by reforming the way that people are coming to the UK and the sectors in which they can apply. They intend to reduce the net migration of people coming to the UK by about 20%. So this is something that has been proposed by the government. Family visas. This is another shocking change that is coming in. At the moment, if you want to bring a family member, the starting point is 18,600. This is going to go up from 18,600 to 38,700 if you want to bring dependents to the United Kingdom, so that you can financially be able to support them. So if you want to bring your family members from outside the United Kingdom, please try to do that before this is implemented. Again, the implementation is scheduled or is being earmarked for spring 2024. The last change that is coming in relates to students. As you remember, in June or July, the Home Office tightened the student visas, is particularly in the sense that students were no longer allowed to switch from being a student to a skilled worker if they did not finish their studies. Now they are going to look into student visas again, and more changes are going to be made under the student visa. So following the tightening of who can bring their family members on student visas earlier this year, the government will ask the Migration Advisory Committee to review the graduate route to prevent abuse and protect the integrity of the quality of the higher education in the United Kingdom. So we know that if you finish your studies at the moment, you can go on that visa, which is called the graduate route or the graduate visa. Again, the Home Office is looking at reviewing this. If you require any legal advice, you can contact Tan Law Solicitors. You can also watch our videos on our YouTube channel, and you can subscribe to our YouTube channel, which is Tan Law Solicitors. Just look for Tan Law Solicitors on YouTube, and we have got a Facebook page and a LinkedIn page as well. My name is Andrew Nyamayaro, and I'm a solicitor at Tan Law Solicitors. Thank you so much.